it up. That girl.
Put it in the basket.
Put them in the basket.
Put them in here.
How are you going to pick them up?
Put them in the basket. In here, look, see? Put it in here.
Just get a basket, put it in the basket.
She loves that.
Pick it up. She will, eventually.
Yeah, look. Gwen, look.
Mike was
Put 'em in here.
skipping.
Put another one. Get another one. Grab it. Here's one.
Eggs. She's
Winnie.
holding candy in her hand.
Gwendolyn.
Oh,
Winnie.
She's ignoring you.
Hey, look. Look, Gwen. Look.
How'd she get that candy?
One, she shook the egg and it opened and she stole it.
No.
Give me those candies.
No. She don't fall off of that step.
She's always got her hands.
yeah.
Next year.
Yeah.
Standing on her. Oh.
Be careful. That's all right.
I'll
Let her.
help you. Yay. Get your eggs.
Big one.
Step on them.
Pick them up. Look at all those eggs. Pick them up.
She loves that.
Uh-oh. You stepped on them.
No.
Oh, no, open. Look, Gwen over there.
I'm getting your eggs.
It's right out here.
She needs some sunglasses. You got a little pair of sunglasses? I won't keep them on.
You don't get a hat on either.
One of those little straps. Like a croaker.